Alright, it's a little dark out right now, but I just, in Manassas right now. I'm just at the skating fun place. And I found a little bit of air conditioners right here. I think this is a Payne. I don't think Payne's, I don't really see them with the logo on them anymore. I think that's a Copeland. I think they're all air conditioners. Yeah, there's no reversing valve. I don't know what motor that is. That's rusted. It's probably old. Here's this from 2012 to 2012 5-ton. You cannot see that data sheet really at all. And I know for a fact because I've looked at GoPro footage before, and I can definitely tell you. Same thing. You can't really see much inside the unit. So 2012 5-ton. Same thing. Stuff ready. We got a Carrier Comfort series over here. Yeah, this is Carrier. Copeland Emerson, I think. I think that's a LG or something. I don't know. I can't make that out. Oh, I'm gonna think something just turned on over here. It was a component. Wait, is that this thing? The Mirror Star is running right here, and this thing is from I can't tell. Yeah, I don't know when this is from. It's a Carrier. Big one right here. This must be like a 6-ton. My God. Not sure what motor. Open the scroll. Oh, wait, no, this one's a heat pump. Up in that one. This one isn't on, but this one is. This one isn't in heat mode. This is in cool mode. I don't know why. It's freezing up the line. That's not really smart to have this thing on in cool mode. 2019 3-ton, I think. I don't know. I can't tell what scroll that is, but this thing shouldn't be on in cool mode right now because it's freezing up the line. Thank you. I mean, there is light over here, but this is Carrier Comfort series. Oh, these are from 2010. Okay. A Copeland scroll, and then that. So nothing behind the thing, I guess. There are some heat pumps on the other side, I guess, but yeah, these ones right here. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Over and out.